Okay, that's the inside of the lobby of the Grand Hotel. Since 1937, so about so this one is actually in the news right now. Grand Hotel Macau, and we're going to show you why exactly as well. We're going to come around here real quick. There's some of the yeah, this one's in the news because it's just opened. It's opening again after 27 years. And we'll take a look at it and kind of show you around the neighborhood a little bit as well. And we're near Pont. This is the ocean where originally people would come in off the boat, so they'd come into this area. So we're going to catch all this spot as well. And then we're going to highlight that hotel. So that's actually Pont 16 right there. That's a pretty massive hotel. And all the ships used to come in. I'll tell you more about it, but we're going to highlight this whole space in a minute. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. They got guests already staying here. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to, that's the inside of it, the lobby. I'm going to go over there and try to see it from the other side. So we're going to do that right now. And we'll try to give you a little bit of a view of it so you can see exactly what it looks like. Kind of a cool building already over here. I think I'll give you a better perspective of all of it in a moment. There's part of it. Let me just kind of come across real quick here. Then I'll try to explain it all. So that right there used to be where the harbor, again, I think called the outer harbor. Now everything's moved, but for historically, everything would come in here. And then this right here is the Grand Hotel. You can see the sign way up at the top there. And I guess apparently this one was made in 1937. So it said originally 1937. Let me come around to another side of it. Yeah, now you get a much better view of it. Actually, we got a red light right here. But I guess a lot of celebrities would stay here historically. This is actually a good view right here too. You can see this is kind of the main street, Alberto Ribeiro. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go back over here again. And I'm going to just go down Alberto Ribeiro and film down that direction. And I think I can describe the context of it better if I did that as well. But like apparently this one used to be in a lot of movies. And it's right down here at the edge of Almeida Ribeiro. And then this is the where the ships used to come in. So the ships would come in here, and then all of the historical Macau would all be in this area. Yeah, and actually I knew there was a lot of small hotels everywhere. There's Rua de Felicidade, like Street of Happiness, that's down in this area too. And now I kind of now I understand how big this was. Let's go down a little bit further. Got a lot of buses and things in the way to properly capture it on film. But there we go. Puncheon House. So that's all our building right there. And yeah, people would come in through the port, which is right behind us at that Pont 16. They would flood into this area, and they could come up almost anywhere once you're in this area. Got some antique shops. Cinco de Octubre, they have like a night market down that street at times. And this one kind of leads up to some other tourist sites. Actually, this whole area right here is all kind of related to the downtown area. So that's why this would all be connected to that right there. Let me just try to go around it a little bit. I don't want to go too far down. So I think what I'm going to do because I'm gonna go down that other street next to it. Yeah, so there was lots of movies that were made in Macau, like 1940s and 1950s, and this would have been kind of the spot where the celebrities would stay at that time, in that era, and they would kind of be the landmark. And then I guess it went out of business 27 years ago. They just put a bunch of money into it to get it going again, and now it's officially going again. So that's it right here. And I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk down one of these other side streets. This is Ribeiro Street. This is one of my favorite buildings in Macau. Now you can see this hotel right here, the back side of it. And I'm just gonna go kind of around this green building right now. This is now, I think this, I'd like to know the history of this. It's all gutted out now and it's just kind of an empty casino. And they block all the windows so that when you're gambling, you're not aware of the windows. Which is funny because the whole thing is kind of narrow and centered around the windows and the balconies. But they don't use it like that now for this particular building right here, this green one. So we're gonna come back over here. There's our Pond 16 again. Let's see if we can see our Focus building again. There's part of it. Saw that gray building right there. Yeah, I hope that green building, I wish somebody would buy that and then turn that back in. I think it looked like it was some kind of hotel originally. It would be kind of cool if that was still a hotel for people. The green one. That one right there. Okay. So we're gonna come back here. And I'm gonna also so this is kind of some of the stuff it says right here. It says the heyday was 1940s and 1960s. It appeared in the backdrop of many Hong Kong films. There's some of the information about it. So yeah, it used to be the films at that period of time. So anyways, that's the Grand Hotel Macau. We'll just kind of walk in real quick and we'll just see if we can film briefly in the lobby. So this is, looks like they're still kind of doing some renovations as well. But anyways, this is the location of it, kind of where the harbor used to be. And we're just gonna end it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.